Hello, my paper peeps. Today I am thrilled to share some innovative techniques for using 12 by 12 ephemera in your scrapbooks and journals today. Traditionally, these versatile sheets have been used to highlight focal points on our layout pages. But today I want to show you how I take one single sheet of 12 by 12 ephemera and use it in a way that you might not have seen yet. So let's dive in. Number one, I call this the book chain technique. Most 12 by 12 ephemera sheets come with tags that are perfect for embellishing a photo page layout. Sometimes I even use them as the actual focal point of my layouts. However, here's a unique way to use these tags outside of your books. First, cut up the tags. Laminate them for durability. Now, if you don't have a laminator on hand, you don't need one. All you have to do is layer the tag on top of other sheets of cardstock to improve its durability, and then add an eyelet for strength. Then attach them to an old necklace. In this case, the necklace has some jewelry elements that I didn't remove, and it actually acts as a paperweight, preventing the book chain from moving around too much. This technique not only adds a decorative touch, but keeps your pages a little more neat and tidy without adding too much bulk to the pages. Number two, tag toppers. Beautiful labels are a staple on all ephemera pages, and while they traditionally embellish photos or serve as focal points, here I use them as tag toppers. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine, and I adore creating DIY scrapbooks and journals. I love embellishing my projects, not just on the inside, but on the outside too, using tag toppers. This method foreshadows the creativity inside your journals and reduces bulk by avoiding excessive layering inside. It allows more space for journaling, giving me the freedom to document my thoughts and feelings while still flexing my creative muscles. I achieve this effect using the hidden paper clip technique. Now, you've probably seen this in some of my other journals, but what I'm going to do is I need two pieces of cardstock here. One is the actual tag itself, and then a backside to the tag. And this is where repositional tape is great for. I like to cut out cardstock to match the size of the tag. And the repositional tape is great here because it prevents everything from shifting on you. Now you have two pieces of cardstock to work with. Here I take some regular white cardstock and I cut two pieces out that are 4 inches by 1 inch. Then I use larger paper clips here. Take your paper clip, slide it through the paper, then fold it over the large portion of the paper clip. Take the other paper, slide it under the small portion of the paper clip, and then fold it over like this. So now you have this hidden paper clip, and all you see is the paper there. And then fold that portion over like that. Then you want to glue down that piece right there. And just take your glue gun or double-sided adhesive. Then I take my double-sided adhesive here and I place them on both sides of the hidden paper clip, making sure that you only on this side place the double-sided adhesive right on the shorter portion of the paper clip there, because you want to make sure that this hinge is still available for you to slip your book pages through. And here is a tag topper made out of scrapbook ephemera. Now, if you're interested in how I set up this monochromatic scrapbook journal, I'll put a link to that in the description box below. Number 3. I call this 3D ephemera. While I enjoy paper embellishing, adding a three-dimensional effect with wax seals has been my go-to. But did you know that you can create 3D embellishments without wax? For round ephemera pieces, I use a hot glue gun to seal the image, giving it a three-dimensional look. All you need is a cooled coin and your hot glue gun. This technique adds depth and interest to your pages without the need for wax seals. Number 4, bookmark borders. Long strips of patterned paper are commonly found on ephemera sheets, traditionally used as snippet strips to ground an image or as a backdrop for labels. Today, I repurposed them as bookmarks, using the same technique as with the tags. These bookmarks are a fantastic way to hold more 3D elements, showcasing them on the outside of your scrapbooks or journals. This not only adds a unique touch to your projects, but also provides practical utility. So today I used the same technique as I did with the labels and created a tag. And then I find they're a great way to hold those 3D elements you want to showcase outside of your scrapbooks or journals. If you're interested in how I created these three-dimensional elements, I'll put a link to a video on how I created these three-dimensional elements. So I hope these techniques inspire you to get creative with your 12 by 12 ephemera sheets. Happy crafting, my paper peeps, and we will see you in my other videos. Bye!